Good morning to all the students who are following my channel. Okay, if you have not subscribed, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a class or a practical, you are able to get the notifications without fail. Okay, in the topics nutrition, transportation, we have seen how the gaseous and solid waste is eliminated from the body of a particular organism. In today's class, we are going to specifically focus on nitrogenous waste and the excretory system. Basically, our focus this year is on the human excretory system. But before switching on to the human excretory system, we need to understand what is the role of excretory system. What are the excretory materials which are eliminated from the body of different organisms? Okay, now as far as living organisms are concerned, there are certain organs which are responsible for elimination of certain waste. For example, if I consider lungs, okay, it is responsible for elimination of carbon dioxide, which is the cellular waste and need to be eliminated out. If I consider liver, bile is a particular waste which need to be eliminated off. Okay, there are another waste which is also produced by the liver and enter into the bloodstream. Okay, via the bloodstream reaches the kidney and eliminated in the form of urine along with it. We will come to that later on. But at present, remember, there are different organs. Okay, and these organs include lungs, liver, skin and kidney, which is responsible for elimination of unwanted material, waste material from the body of a living organism. Here we are focusing mainly on the human beings. Okay, now as I said, the lungs eliminate carbon dioxide, the liver eliminate bile, skin eliminate sweat. Okay, unwanted material is eliminated in the form of sweat. Okay, the salt, okay, water content, excess water content, whatever is that is eliminated in the form of sweat from the skin. Okay, but there is a particular major organ which is responsible for purifying the entire blood, removing unwanted material, waste material from the blood, purifying the blood and again bringing that blood back to the bloodstream along with important materials which is required by the body. And that organ is nothing but our kidneys. So kidney is one such organ which is responsible for elimination of certain waste, and these waste are formed by the process of metabolism of proteins and amino acid. Proteins or amino acid का metabolism जब होता है, okay, there are certain waste which are produced and these waste are of different types. Okay, some of them are ammonia, urea, uric acid, creatinine, guanine, okay, etc. Okay, but basically one particular waste which is common in every organism, that is nothing but ammonia. Okay, now this ammonia is very toxic. So different organisms eliminate different forms of ammonia based on their body structure, based on their adaptations and based on the pattern of their body. Now we know certain organisms right from Pisces, that is fishes, okay, amphibians, reptiles, okay, birds, that is aves and mammals. Okay, now as far as aquatic, specifically the freshwater fishes or many aquatic organisms and amphibian larvae are concerned, these aquatic organisms, amphibian larvae, okay, and specifically the freshwater fishes, they excrete ammonia. Okay, now ammonia, excretion of ammonia should be in such an environment where water availability is maximum. Okay, so aquatic organisms live in the aquatic ecosystem. So dilution of ammonia, okay, requires plenty of water. ओके बहुत ज़्यादा पानी की ज़रूरत होती है अमोनिया को डाइल्यूट करने के लिए. So the aquatic organisms which are there, they excrete a particular product that is called as ammonia. Why? Because they live in the aquatic ecosystem. Okay. Now as far as urea is concerned, Okay, ammonia gets converted into a less toxic substance, that is urea, uric acid, etc. Okay, as far as human beings are concerned, okay, and as far as the marine fishes are concerned and amphibians are concerned, they excrete urea. Their excretory product is urea. Okay, which is formed when ammonia gets converted. So ammonia, which is a toxic, highly toxic substance, in different organisms, the ammonia gets converted into less toxic substances, which can be now eliminated by the body of that particular organism. So aquatic organism, specifically the amphibian larvae, okay, the freshwater fishes, okay, and other aquatic organisms, they eliminate their waste material in the form of ammonia. Whereas as far as humans are concerned, marine fishes are concerned, other amphibians are concerned, they excrete a particular product, that is urea. Okay, now as far as humans are concerned, this urea along with the water, okay, is eliminated by the liver cells. They enter into the bloodstream, and from the bloodstream they reach the kidney, and from the kidney they are eliminated off, and via the urine they are expelled out. Okay, we will come to that particular process. So aquatic organisms excrete ammonia, specifically the freshwater fishes, other aquatic organisms, okay, and amphibian larvae, they excrete specifically ammonia. Okay, human beings, other amphibians, marine fishes, they excrete urea. Okay, as far as birds and reptiles are concerned, they excrete a particular product which is least toxic, and that is nothing but uric acid. Okay, now the birds, specifically the aves, they excrete a particular type of uric acid, and that is called guanine. Okay, now as far as the process is concerned, the organism that excrete ammonia are called ammonotelic organism, and the process is called ammonotelism. The organism that excrete urea, okay, they are called ureotelic organism, and the particular process is called as ureotelism. And the organism that excrete uric acid are called as uricotelic organism, and the process is called as uricotelism. Okay, now what we have learned, there are different excretory organs. Okay, the lungs are the excretory organs which excrete or eliminate carbon dioxide. Liver are the excretory organs which help in the elimination of bile. Okay, skin is a particular excretory organ which helps in removal of the waste material in the form of sweat. Okay, now different organisms eliminate different material. Okay, but along with solid and gaseous waste, there are certain waste which are produced in the body, which are produced as a result of metabolism of proteins and amino acid. And these waste, what are they called? They are called nitrogenous waste. Okay, and different organisms eliminate different products based on the atmosphere or ecosystem where they survive, based on their body structure, body pattern, based on their adaptations. Okay, as far as aquatic organism, certain freshwater fishes and amphibian larvae are concerned, they excrete a particular material, a particular product, that is ammonia. Why? Because dilution of ammonia requires lot of water. Okay, and this much water cannot be provided by the biological system. So these organisms, as they are present in the atmosphere where water availability is maximum, okay, so they eliminate a particular substance which can be easily dissolved in that atmosphere where they live. So they eliminate ammonia. So it gets easily dissolved in water and it is not harmful for their body also. So the organisms which eliminate ammonia, they are called ammonotelic organism, and the process is called ammonotelism. Okay, the organisms that excrete urea are called ureotelic organism, and the process is called ureotelism. Okay, what is happening? Ammonia gets converted into less toxic substance in different organisms. Okay, why? Because biological system, body cannot dissolve or dilute ammonia, as it requires maximum or plenty or a large amount of water. Okay, so लेस टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंस में एक टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंस कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. So ammonia gets converted into urea, uric acid, etc. Now this can be eliminated easily by the biological system. Okay, humans, amphibians, okay, the marine water fishes usually excrete urea, or they excrete urea. So they are ureotelic organism, and the process is called ureotelism. Okay, now birds and reptiles, they excrete or eliminate the waste in the form of uric acid. So they are called uricotelic, and the process is called ureotelism. Birds specifically excrete a kind of pasty material, okay, the white sticky paste material, okay, which is in the form of a paste. So that is a type of uric acid that's called guanine. Hope you understood this much. In the next class, we will be learning about the human excretory system. Thank you.